experience. Only communicates over Tetra when needed.
I see that there is an evolution, and more and more people are using those applications.
We are definitely a believer of open standards, so we want to utilize the high number of specialized accessory providers. So we want to be sure that we have partnerships in place that can enrich our offering with their own unique accessories.
It is very important that the new buyers qualifies for long-term presence, security accreditation, and as well capabilities to support us in our development in the future.
Yeah, I think that Airbus has created a great event for networking as well as to seeing the next generations and the future-proof concept. So I think that's a great event.
For me, it is a good meeting, so I can hear what problems the other user had in starting the data system, so we can make it better.
And maybe by then we are going to have an IP network in Baja California, and we are going to have the new TPH 900 terminals working with all the police officers in the state.
We have been working with Airbus and before with Nokia for years. From the beginning of Astrid, it has always been a very trustful partner. So for us, also for the future, because we've decided in Belgium to continue with Tetra in the next 10 and 15 years.
The first event was with 6 people in total, and the maximum of people we have is now 320, which was the site.
It's good to meet the customers in continuous basis, and very many conferences are so busy that you hardly meet them. So this is a very good kind of more secure environment to meet and to talk.
I think this event is a good opportunity for us to meet our customer and also to meet potential new customers.
Oh yes, Tetra is not going anywhere. Tetra is still #1 for voice.
It's a very important event because, we are a distributor of Airbus in the Netherlands and in Belgium. And so this is an opportunity for us to present our solutions to all the distributors and all the potential customers around the world.
When the SNUC is there, NICE is presenting here as a certified twist partner of Cassini and Airbus.
I really appreciate having so many customers in our place. We have more than 250 delegates, so already at this point in time, I consider the SNUC is a success.